Hi, my YouTube friends. Welcome to my channel. This is Mike Kabemba, your favorite affiliate marketer, and welcome to my channel again. And please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel and press the like button, and especially the notification buttons. It's gotta be pressed so you don't miss any update that comes that I'm bringing you every day or all the time. So thank you, and I really appreciate your attentions and your love to this YouTube channel. And guys, as you know, we always talk about how to make money, how to grow up your business on this channel. And this is real. This is real services and products that we always bring you, help you in making money. Those are how some products and services that you're looking for. And without further ado, today I'm bringing you again something very amazing, something wonderful, and we're going to discover what is it. And firstly, it is called the absolute profit. And the absolute profit, and what is it? It is a very low maintenance passive strategy and will perfect for new marketers with nothing but their internet connections. So this is a very low maintenance and passive strategies that is perfect, that can work in any niche, in any internet marketing system that you're using, and that can bring you perfect results. And that thing has been designed, this product has been designed even for newbies. Even you just starting affiliate marketing and you have been wondering how to make sales, how you can create the budget list. You got the solutions right here, and how you can turn $5 into 315 or to 320. Now it's just getting better and better. So understand, with these products, you can turn your $5 into 315 to 320, while not even going more if you like, if you give it all your best. And this service, the product does not require no experience, no social media followers, and definitely no product launching requires. Take only 10 minutes to set up and run it onto autopilots after that. So let's check the funnels and what we're going to get. And the final profit, it is the absolute profit. It is so amazing, so awesome, guys. I recommend you to get these products. I recommend you to attend the class and the training that is going to be given on this about these products, and you will definitely enjoy it. You will definitely making money with it and turn your $5 into 3 figures. So you're right to go. You don't have to be struggles. And with absolute profit, you will learn the closely guarded secret, a software method that brings us daily affiliate commissions. As a matter of fact, they are turning $5 into 315 or more. It's just getting better. No experience, no social, definitely no product launch required, and it only takes you 10 minutes to set it up. And the absolute profit provision is further DeFi package that makes absolute profit 30 times more powerful and effective. Therefore, users of the Pro package will automatically increase their earning potential. And the best part is, this package is extremely versatile. I can be used for multiple promos at the same time. So you understand how the importance of these products and the package. How is it going to change your life, going to change your business, going to change things around you and even your life. And it comes with a DeFi bonus, with a review demo, product demo, and customer bonus delivers. You get 2 DeFi campaigns every week for a month. Are ready to start your promotion? Require commissions? Gorilla. Get the traffic on autopilot from our page. They are allowing buyers to place their Google tag and all of our pages together to a huge retarget audience and take advantage of a laser targeted audience while getting that cheap penny clicks. Our sales page get tons of traffic on daily basis. So buyers of this upgrade will have the chance to put their campaigns on our system. We send traffic, you make money, and only at one time. So you understand that this products, it's going to help you in bringing also thousands of traffic in your way. And if you upgrade to the chance of chance to put their campaigns on their system, they're gonna send traffic to your way. And when they send traffic to your way, you get money. So if you are an affiliate, you are new in affiliate marketing, or if you are an advanced, these products will help you, because it will help you definitely, because you might be advanced and you stuck somewhere, you don't know how to, you're wondering how to grow up your sales, you're wondering which products can be helpful to you. And this is it, guys. I'm bringing the real solutions to you. And once you buy these products, you get the right to get reseller right to not only absolute profit but more great selling products and enjoy 100% commission across the sales funnel, including all autos. While we look after support for you, we will adding all of our future release to this cloud, and this current one-time fees will be rising in the future. We secure your reseller right to many and for products and software to come. So if you get the products, you don't have to wonder if you're going to make money with it or if you're not going to make money with it. This is something amazing. This is something very lovely. This is something absolutely nice. So put yourself ahead on affiliate marketing game. So if you have been wondering, you never have been on top of the affiliate marketing, you get these products and be sure that you're going to go blow. You're going to blow and blow and blow. And plus, you got 2 hours call with Wilson. He will help you with the implementation of absolute profit. This will be Yoko one-to-one videos training with Wilson to turn into this latest success story, and you will learn the step-by-step ahead of your competitions here in 2021. So guys, this is something very nice, absolutely beautiful, absolutely a solution to your money problems, and absolutely something you going to love. And I'm recommending you these products. Get it. It's going to be launched on 25 August. On 25 August, you have this product straight up with you. Do not forget, press the link, click the link below that I'm going to leave under the descriptions, and the link will definitely direct you to the product. And from the product, you're going to get this product, the absolute profits. You're going to have it with you and you're going to benefit. So guys, we still got more days to go. You have to check, you gotta check the if you need any informations and more informations about these products, I'm available 24/7 to help you. I'm going to leave my email down there. You can get in touch with me via email, or you can be in touch with the owner of the products if you like. But from 25, but anytime from now, if you want to get the info, just come to me, and you can contact me via Facebook. You can contact me via social networks, and from there you're good to go. And guys, please do not forget to buy this product. I recommend you I know you might be a new in affiliate marketing, you might be advanced and you struggling somewhere, somehow, how to get sales and how to be leading the internet marketing. You have the solutions with you. You have the right solutions. And here on this channel, we only talk about how to make money and services that can help you grow up your businesses and much more. So guys, I really don't want to make this video so long, and stay tuned. From 25, do not forget to buy this product, and you're going to change your life. You're going to change the way you see your business, the way you have to grow your business. This is something very nice, and something that you benefit from it, something that you can change a little penny into a huge amount of money. So get these products, get the products, and enjoy your life, enjoy your success online. So guys, I don't want to make this video so long. I'm stopping by here. See you in the next video.